guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So this is just a real quick tech tip. A lot of times when you're pouring motor oil, and this is a trick that is, a lot of people know about it, but there's gonna be some people on YouTube that don't know about this trick, but this is something I've done for years. And you just get so frustrated when you're trying to pour oil into a jug like this. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. You're trying to keep the stuff from making a mess, and you're trying to pour the oil in the jug like this, and it starts blurping back like it's doing. And you got to lift up the funnel so you don't make a mess. So just take a piece of wire like this. It could be any kind of wire. Actually, even string works. Pretty much anything. And this is just an old piece of TIG wire. This is in my top of my toolbox. I always keep it in there. I grab it when I'm doing this. And all you got to do. Sorry about the crappy camera work. I'm trying to hurry up here. I got a lot of stuff to do. Pick up your funnel. Hang that like that. Let me flip this around so you can see. All you got to do is just sit that piece of wire in there and then push your funnel back down into the jug. And then no more spilling and making a mess. Now you got the wire in there, push your funnel down in there. You can pour as fast as you want. Now it'll go straight down through there. No mess. Now I'm gonna make a mess. Oh man, that's funny. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the tech tip. Thanks for watching. Later.